Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel, and let's talk about a topic that I think is really fascinating. How to escape paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just about income. It's actually about control. And most people don't have it, if we're being honest. Because if you don't control your money, it controls you. And that's where the cycle starts. I think most of us have to face the reality. It's not what you think you spend, it's what you actually spend. Because clarity creates control. Now look, you create space, even if it's small. Because without margin, you have no ability to move. So that should be something you should do. And you give that margin an actual purpose. It's not comfort, it's not impulse, it's actually direction. And then, when you've done all that, you increase your income actually with intention. It's not just working more, but building something that grows, like we've talked in some of the other videos. Look, escaping paycheck to paycheck doesn't start with a raise. And I know that's a really hard truth. And most of us know that if we had extra money, it would go further. But I think you intentionally starting to be aware, and once you see the system that you have, you can actually start to change it and actually make it work for you. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments and share your thoughts and opinions. And let me know the other type of content you guys would like me to create in the future. Have a great day. Bye.